There she is, Aria Turner. She's a youth girls series leader.
Breathe, baby, breathe.
Later today. But in the meantime, we want one of their road bikes.
Last lap. Good job, good job.
Anything I say is
Come on, Dom.
until I am reading from a piece of paper.
You gotta chase him down, baby. This is it. This is up for all the marbles right here. Last lap. Let's go.
They're here today. Right now, I hear our massive man 25 plus BEs going right now.
Yeah, Mikey, yeah.
Lots of upshifting of the gears. They've got a really big field. Look like they might be even bigger than the men's 35 plus Bs.
Keep it tight, keep it tight. See? Gotta watch that inside line, Mike.
Try and make a pass on the left side.
Get it, Mike. Come on, Mike, he's getting away. Your boy Jay's getting away. Come on, Mike, come on.
Wish you didn't have a mountain bike. Nice job, Scott.
Go. You're closing it. Come on, Mikey, come on. Go get that boy. Operation here, Mike. Third's right on you.
Go, Eric. Push it back.
Go, Mike, go. Open it up. Go.
Get it! That's great for second and third.